The equation of the tangents, equations of the tangents drawn from, not at, from, at means this one, s1 equal 0. But in this problem given from the point, find the equations of the tangents from the point, and also find a angle between them. Find angle between them. Right? Ellipse is given. Ellipse is x square plus 2y square equal to 3. X square by 3 plus 2y square by 3 equal to 3 by 3. X square by 3 y square by 3 by 2 equal to 1. A square value 3, b square value 3 by 2, b square value 3 by 2. Given point is this one. Let m be the slope of the tangent. M be the slope of the tangent. By using this point and this slope, using these two values, we calculate equation of the tangent. That is nothing but a straight line. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. How to calculate m value? This line touches the ellipse, so we apply the tangent condition. A square l square plus b square m square equal to n square. We get two values. One value is slope of this line, second value slope of this line. Okay, find the angle between them. This is m1, this is m2. Tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. We apply that formula. Write down. Given 1, 2. Let m be slope of, let m be slope of the tangent, slope of the tangent. Therefore, equation of tangent, equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute the values. Y minus 2 m into x minus 1. Bring these two into RHS. mx minus m minus y plus 2. Write in the order. mx minus y plus 2 minus m lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Addition is a square l square plus b square m square equal to n square. A square value 3, l square value m square, b square value 3 by 2, m square value 1 equal to 2 minus m whole square 3m square plus 3 by 2. Apply a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Take LCM 2. 6 m square 6m square plus 3 equal to 4 plus m square minus 4m. By cross multiplication 6m square plus 3 equal to 8 plus 2m square minus 8m. 6m square plus 3 minus 8 minus 2m square plus 8m equal to 0. 4 m square plus 8m minus 5 split into factors. 10m minus 2m minus 5. Take 2m common. 2m plus 5. Take minus 1 common. 2m plus 5. 2m plus 5 into 2m minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, m value minus 5 by 2, m value 1 by 2. If m equal to minus 5 by 2, from the second equation y minus 2 equal to minus 5 by 2 into x minus 1 2y minus 4 equal minus 5x plus 5. 2y minus 4 plus 5x minus 5. 5x plus 2y minus 9. If m equal to 1 by 2, if m value minus 2 equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by cross multiplication 2y minus 4 equal to x minus 1, x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Let theta be the angle between the tangents. Angle between the tangents. Therefore, m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. m1 value minus 5 by 2. m2 value 1 by 2. Substitute the values. Tan theta equal to minus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus minus 5 by 2 into 1 by 2. Two LCM minus 5 minus 1. 4 LCM 4 minus 5 modulus of minus 6 by 2 into 4 by minus 1. Minus cancel. 2 3 times cancel. Tan theta equal to 12. Theta equal to tan inverse 12. Theta equal to tan inverse 12. Third Roman second problem. Given ellipse is x square plus 3y square equal to 3. 3y square by 3 equal to 3 by 3. X square by 3 y square by 1 equal to 1. A square value 3, b square value 1. Next, given tangent line is is 4x plus y plus k equal to 0. He wants value of k. So apply tangent condition. Tangent condition is a square l square plus b square m square equal to n square. A square value 3, l square value 16, b square value 1, m square value 1 equal to k square. 48 plus 1 equal to k square. K square value 49. K value plus or minus 7